It's already looking so pretty. Mondays can be manic. Get that going. I know my shape. Hola familia, Busy Mommy here, and today we are going to make a quick, in the oven, whatever I have kind of meal. I like this as like a meal prep for the week because it reheats really well. It is like a sausage and peppers mix that you're gonna make in the oven and enjoy. So here's what we're gonna do first. First, I cut up one giant red bell pepper. I got this from the farmer's market, so it's huge. And then one small green bell pepper. And then I have half of an onion, and I'm probably gonna just use about a quarter of the onion. So I'm gonna keep slicing down. I like these larger slices. I like to slice them thin, just because they kind of almost disintegrate when you slice them thin, which is really nice. It's just such a quick meal, and it's so nice because you can just put it in a pan and go. So I'm gonna add the onions, then I'm gonna add my peppers to the pan. The nice thing is it's like a throw it, like a set it and forget it kind of thing. And I actually, at the end of the farmer's market, I like to buy extra peppers, and I actually have a video on my YouTube channel before I actually used to show my face on how I store these peppers, but I would buy a bunch and just literally make bags and bags of my own frozen peppers because I just really liked to have fresh peppers on hand. So this is really good if you have a bag of frozen veggies. I am using a jalapeno in here because I like to give it a little heat. So we're gonna do just one, I think. Gonna throw it in. And then I have a zucchini that I sliced in half, and I'm gonna do moons because I like that better than a big bite. And throw it in. It's already looking so pretty. What's your favorite one pot meal? Or like quick meal for when you're trying to get things done? I want to try to start a series of like quick meals with stuff I have laying around the house. I was thinking about calling it Manic Monday. Mondays can be manic. Let me know below what your favorite quick meal go-to is. So I had these green onions that were gonna go bad, and so I thought let's add those because I like how they add a nice little flavor, and they're very mild, so it's nice. That's why I only did a quarter of the onion. Typically I would do half to a full onion. I'm gonna do the rest of this zucchini. Don't be impressed, I don't have knife skills. All right, so once you get these all cut up and ready to go, you're going to mix them up a little bit. I'm going to add some of my homemade adobo seasoning. As you guys know, you've probably seen in one of my videos, I actually made my own adobo seasoning because I don't like buying the stuff from the store anymore, just not feeling their values. So I decided to make my own. Now this has cumin in it. It has garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric. It is a really, really great kind of like everyday seasoning. I really like it on pretty much any vegetable. I'm gonna throw some salt. And because I wanted to have a little bit more of a kick too, I love me some Tony's Cajun seasoning, so I'm gonna throw a little bit of Cajun seasoning on here. This actually works really, really well as a, like if you wanna throw pasta in here, some cauliflower rice would be good in here as well. That Tony's always makes me wanna sneeze. And my husband always laughs at me because I always, literally always, every time, I'm gonna add a little extra garlic powder. Get that going, and then some olive oil, and that's it. I literally, it's like everything but the kitchen sink kind of meal, but I always have peppers on hand. I always have zucchini, so this is a quick staple that just ends up being so good, so quick and easy. Now, protein wise, what do I want to do? I love turkey sausage from Hillshire, or really just anyone. You don't have to get turkey sausage. You can get like regular sausage if you want. I'm gonna cut it into little rounds, not rounds. I know my shape. You can cut it as small or as big as you want it. I have made this too with like sun-dried tomatoes that I had left over in my house, which was nice because you can actually like just really customize this as you want. That's why I really like it, because you just throw in your seasonings, throw in your sausage. Now what I like to do with the sausage is I like to make a little bit of a gap and put it in the middle, only because I like it to get like browned up, but you don't have to do that. You can definitely just throw it into the mix, because I will mix this all together at the end. But for now, I'm just gonna place it in my large cookie sheet. Doesn't it look really pretty? I think it looks really pretty. All right, so next step is gonna be bake at 375. Throw it into your oven, check on it in 10 minutes, see how it goes, and then leave it for another 10, then mix everything up. So we'll be back. Wait, before you go, you should totally like, subscribe, and comment below. I asked you already, what's your favorite one-pot meal? Let me know. All right, let's pop it in the oven. All right, so 30 minutes later, you have your peppers and sausage. You can eat it just like that. I personally like to add an egg on top and eat it with the egg, which makes it that much yummier. Little runny egg with some of the veggies, add extra protein. It is so good. The roasted veggies taste perfect. They're nice, still have a little bit of a bite. The sausage is cooked and brown. It's amazing. You're gonna love this, and it reheats so well. And I'm telling you, with an egg on top. You should try it. Let me know if you try it. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to the next video. Enjoy. Bye. Oh wait, did I say you should like, subscribe, and comment? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna say it again anyway, just in case. Yeah, I think you should like, subscribe, and comment below. Like I said, I did say this because I asked you what your favorite one-pot meal is. Did you put it in here yet? I want to know. I want to try them. Maybe we can cook together sometime. All right. See you next time. Bye. What are you waiting for? It's Uber. Bye. Go eat your food.